children. Good morning. How are you children? I hope you all are fine with your family. Yes children? Yes. Now today we will learn class first social. Yes children. Today we will learn class first social. Yes children. Everyone take out your social textbook children. See children? Yes. Everyone take out your social textbook and classwork book. Okay children? Children, today already we will learn helping hand lesson. Isn't it children? Yes. Already we will learn helping hand lesson. I will give some hard words also. Yes. Now children, today I will give some notes. Like fill in the blank, choose the correct answers. So everyone take out your social classwork book. Okay children, I'll write on the board. You write on your classwork book. Okay children. Yes children, already we learn helping hands. What we learn children helping hands? Yes, community helpers, cobbler, teacher, doctor, tailor, hairdresser, traffic police, carpenter, bus driver, firefighter, farmer, grows, plumber, sweeper. They are all our community helpers. Yes children? Yes. Now children, see page number 37. Yes, page number 37. A bit, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with the correct answer. Okay children, with the correct answer. So children, a dash makes for us. A dash makes for us. What children? Gardener, A big gardener, B1 carpenter. What children answer? Yes. A dash make chair for us. Who make chair for us children? Yes. Answer is carpenter. Right children? Carpenter. C-A-R-P-E-N-T-E-R. Carpenter. Everyone should write neatly. Okay? Now children, a dash mend our shoes. Who mend our shoes children? Cobbler or pilot? Yes. Answer is cobbler. C-O-B-B-L-E-R. Cobbler. Okay children. Third one. Yes children. Third one children. See. A dash grow crop for us. Yes children, a dash grows crop for us. Who children? Farmer and baker? Yes, answer is farmer. F-A-R-M-E-R. F-A-R-M-E-R. Farmer. Okay children. Now fourth one, a dash teaches us how to read and write. Who teaches how to read and write children? Barber? No. Answer is teacher. Yes children. T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Teacher. Now fifth one children. A dash stitches our clothes. Who stitches our clothes children? Gardener or tailor? Yes, answer is tailor. 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 Yes, children. See, children. First one, fill in the blank with the correct answer. A dash makes chair for us. Answer is carpenter. 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 A dash mends our shoes. Cobbler. 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 A dash grows crops for us. Farmer. 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 A dash teaches how to read and write. Answer is teacher. 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 A dash stitches our clothes. Who, children? Tailor. Tailor. Children, see here, fill in the blanks is there. See here, right, children, answers. Dashes is there. Okay, children, here write. Write neatly, children. Okay, writing start, children. Yes, children, fill in, children. Fill in the blanks with the correct answer. Yes, children. What, children? A dash makes chairs for us. Carpenter. Yes, children, carpenter. 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 A dash mends our shoes. Cobbler. 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 Third one, a dash grows crop for us. Farmer. 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 A dash teaches us how to read and write. Teacher. Teacher. A dash stitches our clothes. Who, children? Tailor. Answer is tailor. 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 Finish, children? Yes. Yes, children. See, children, be bit match the people to things they use. See, children, here picture is there. Be bit. See, children, picture is there. Be bit. Yes, children. First one is barber. Barber, what instrument do, children? Here, one scissor and one comb is there. See, children, here. Match it. Cobbler and first one is C1, children. Yes, B beat. First one is C1. Next, children. See, children, here. Second picture, plumber. See, children, plumber and this one. D. See, children, D. Plumber is D. Okay. Yes, children. Third picture is carpenter. So here teacher hammer and nail. See children. Now fourth one gardener. See children. Big scissor and hands gloves. Okay children. See children. First one is C bit. C1. Second one is D. Third one is B. Now fourth one is A. Yes children. See children, here barber, scissor and comb. Barber, scissor and comb. Next plumber. See children, this is. Okay. Now third one is carpenter. Third, hammer and nail. Fourth one children, big scissor and hand gloves. Okay children, understood? Yes. See the children, solve the riddles and find out about same other helpers. Yes children, some other helpers. See children here, fly a plane to help you travel to a different city or country. Yes children, I am first one children, fly a plane to help you travel to a different city in our or country. So I am a P dash L dash dash. So children, pilot, pilot. So answer is pilot, pilot, pilot. I fly a plane to help you travel to a different city or country. I am a pilot, pilot, pilot. Now children, second one, I bake tasty cakes and cookies for you. I bake tasty cakes and cookies for you. Who I am? I am? Yes, I am is baker. I am is baker. B-A-K-E-R. Yes children, B-A-K-E-R. Yes children, I bake tasty cake and cookies for you. I am a baker. B-A-K-E-R. Yes children. Now third one, I help the doctor take care of you when you are sick. I help the doctor take care when you are sick. Who I am? I am a nurse. Yes children, I am a nurse. N-U-R-S-E, nurse. N-U-R-S-E, nurse. Children, here see children, these spellings are wrong. This is right spellings. Okay children? Fourth one children. I deliver your cards, letter and parcels to your house. I deliver your card, letter and parcels to your house. I am a, yes children, who I am? I am a postman. Yes children, I am a postman. Yes children, postman. Okay children? Yes, write neatly children your textbook. See children, here write neatly children. Okay? Write neatly children, start writing. Yes children, see bit, solve the riddles and find out about some other helpers. I fly a plane to help you travel to a different city or country. I fly a plane to help you travel to a different city or country. Who I am? I am a pilot. Okay children? I bake tasty cake and cookies for you. I am a baker. I am the doctor. Take care for you when you are sick. I am a nurse. I deliver your cards, letter and parcels to your house. I am a postman. Okay children? See children, imagine that the community helpers who cleans your neighborhood does not come from work for a week. What do you think will happen? Yes children, imagine children, think that the community helpers who cleans your neighborhood does not come for 1 week. What do you think will happen? What will happen children? Think children, life and skill values. Your gardener step on a spade, nut cuts his foot while working. Third, what you do? Take the correct position. Run inside your house for help. Right. Bring the first aid kit. Right. Stand there and watch. No children. Enjoy. Thank your helpers. Make a list of people who help you at home, like the house helper, milkman, gardener, cook, guard and others. Take a chart paper and draw smiling faces on it, color them and cut them out with the help of an adult. Use this to help to thank for their help. Yes children, enjoy. Do it yourself children. Take one white sheet paper and draw smileys and give to your helpers like milkman, garden and cook garden. Okay children, they are your community helpers. So you give to thank you card. Yes children, thank you card. Okay children. So children, today we will write the notes, fill in the blanks and match the people, the two things they use, and details the find out some other helpers. Isn't it children? So repeat children this, fill in the blanks. A dash makes chain for us. A dash makes shade for us. Carpenter. 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 A dash mend our shoes. Cobbler. 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 Third one, children. A dash grows crop for us. Farmer. Farmer. Repeat, children. Farmer. Farmer. A dash teaches us how to read and write. A teacher teaches how to read and write. Answer is teacher. 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 A dash stitches our clothes. Tailor. 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 See, children. See beat. Solve these riddles and find out about some other helpers. Fly a plane to help you travel to a different city, our country. I am a pilot. I bake tasty cakes and cookies for you. I am a baker. Baker. Pilot spelling, children. Pilot. 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 Baker. 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 I help the doctor take care of when you are sick. I am a nurse. 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 I deliver your card, letter and parcel to your house. Yes, children. I am a postman. Post. Post. Man. Postman. Yes, children. Cobbler. Yes, children. Cobbler mend our shoes. And teacher, children. Teacher teaches us to write and read and write, children. Doctor, children. Doctor take care of us when we are sick. Yes, children. Doctor take care of us when we are sick. Tailor. Yes, children. Tailor stitches our clothes. Isn't it, children? Yes. Hairdresser, children. Cut our hair. Hairdresser cut our hair. Traffic police officer check traffics. Yes, children. Traffic police officer check traffic. Carpenter, children, makes tables, chair, benches. Okay, children. Bus driver take us to school and bring us make home. Yes, children. Take us to school and bring us back home. Firefighters put out fires. And farmer, children, grow crops for us. Plumber fixes pipes and taps. Yes, children. Plumber fixes pipes and taps. And sweeper sweep the street to keep it clean. Yes, children. Finish your lesson. Community helpers. Now it's time for Sakshi. Homework. Okay, children? Yes, children. Sakshi. Homework. Yes, children. Sakshi, children. Page number 37. Page number 37. Fill in the blanks. Which lesson, children? Lesson 7. Helping hands. Yes, children. Helping hands. Fill in the blanks. children. C bit also. A bit and C bit. Solve these riddles. Okay children. 2 bits. A bit and C bit. A bit, fill in the blanks with the correct answer, and C bit, children, solve the riddles and find out about some other helpers. Yes children, A bit and C bit, 7th lesson. So these 2 bits, write homework one time in your classwork book children. Okay, same as classwork. Write Sakshi children. Sakshi homework, page number 37. A bit, fill in the blank. C bit, riddles. Homework one time in your classwork book. Yes children. Finish children your Sakshi? Yes. Yes children, your homework finished that time. You take the pic and send me school WhatsApp group. Okay children? Understood? Yes, you are all are good children. Yes children. Okay? Bye children. Take care.